Hello folks, this is Sam Owens and I have a nice product for your pets. This is the VEVOR Dog Ramp, and it's adjustable up to 15 to 22 inches off the ground, and it's like almost 40 inches long, so it will handle a lot of your needs in your home or getting into your car or the RV, getting up the steps. Anywhere you need to be able to get your dog that just can't make those jumps or leap up into areas, this could be a great help. So let's look at it, and it's not hard to set up. First, we're going to look at the top of it. It has these rails that are covered in carpet, and it's got this non-skid rubber which is going to help grip their paws as they go up and down the ramp. So it's very well made. This is a pine wood, and it's nicely crafted. On the back side, it's like this. You've got a latch here that holds this in place from deploying. This is the adjuster right here, and these are the 5 different adjustments that you get from 22 inches down to 15 inches in height. Now there's this latch, you just pull it up and pull it out of the catch, and then you can lift this up, and this area is going to go all the way up here, which is the lowest setting, up to the highest setting, which would be here. Now at that point, they give you some little accessories here to protect your floor or whatever this is going to rest on, and also you have some little felt tabs that can go on the corners if it goes onto your furniture to protections, and they go right on here very easily and just slide right on. And this goes over here, so that'll protect the floor. And then you have these 4 little felt, actually it's kind of a nylon kind of a material, which will protect anything that it goes against. We'll put one on this corner right here, and they just stick on there. It's right there. Okay. This is the part, this is the end that's going to go against the couch. And if you'll notice, it's kind of beveled a little bit. And this end is flat, so it will go down on the floor area. Okay, that is pretty much it. And when you want to adjust it, you just lift this up and out, and it can just drop in. Now you kind of have to hold it with your thumb or finger while you're adjusting it to different areas, because it'll want to come out of there if you don't, and we'll see this. All right, we're going to put it in this direction right here. Now, I don't know exactly what the setting is going to be until I get over here, and then we will make an adjustment. Now, I will go down to the next one and see if that is better. And that looks better right there. And you can adjust your furniture maybe to give yourself good room on the other side. And now the pet can go right up here and onto the couch and spend time with you. And then if they want to go off, they can do it also at their leisure. This is portable, like I say, that if you need to go traveling, you can take it with you, and you got a handle to pick it up and it will store. Like right here, I just hold it, and now I can put it right here. And see, I may have to adjust it, not necessarily, but we're going to go up one more rung to there. And that would take them right up onto the recliner. So let's go out to the car, and we'll see how that you can help your pet get into the front of the car seat. or it could go from the back if you've got a hatchback and pass through the car, whichever works best with the height. This is adjusted to the 22-inch height, the highest height, and you see that the animal would be able to crawl right up here and into the front seat and then travel to the back seat. Also, motorhomes, they have a step up, a wheel well, or a step well, and this would work for that also, for the people that have RVs and campers and want to get their pets in and out of the RV. It's going to be a really nice product for the pet owners, and especially the pets that are just not able to get up into areas that for travel or to be with their owners on the couch and what have you. All right, folks, I want to thank you very much for watching my video.